Dear students, in last video we have solved the problems related to substitution method from exercise 3.2a. In this video also we are going to solve the problems from exercise 3.2 question number 2. In question number 2 there are 17 problems, okay, and from question number 5 to question number 9 there are problems with specific method, and now I am going to explain you the method. So this is the substitution method, but in that method the problem is of the type integration of a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x with respect to x, or a e raised to x plus b upon c e raised to x plus d with respect to x. Like this the problems are there. So to solve such type of problem, the specific method is that the method is that let us take the numerator. Okay, suppose here what is the numerator? In case of this, the numerator is a cos x plus b sin x, and numerator we have to express in terms of denominator. How? That is a into denominator. What is the denominator? Denominator is c cos x plus d sin x plus b into derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator. So derivative of denominator, that is derivative of c cos x plus d sin x. Okay students, and now here we will get a into the same term, same as it is, okay, and plus b into minus c sin x plus d into cos x with respect to x, okay, and this is a cos x plus b sin x. So now we have LHS and we have RHS. From LHS and RHS compare the terms. So here a cos x equal to this, compare the term of cos x, that is a into c cos x plus b into d cos x, okay. So cos x get cancelled, and ac plus bd equal to a. In this way we will get the linear equation. Again compare the coefficient of sin x, we will get b equal to coefficient of sin x, that is ad sin x, plus plus minus, that is minus b into c. And now these are the simultaneous equation in a and b. Solve the equations, you will get the value of a and b, and then the integrand we can write, but here instead of writing the numerator we have to write the equation, that is a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. Then the integration you will get, that is a with respect to x at last, and that is f dash of x upon f of x with respect to x into the value of p, and which will be easily we can solve. Okay, in this way we have to solve the examples. Similarly we have to solve in this case also, that is a into e raised to x plus b upon c into e raised to x plus d. Now let us solve the example, you will better understand. For the example is that integrate sin x plus 2 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So numerator convert in terms of numerator is, that is sin of x plus 2 cos x, and that is equal to numerator equal to a into denominator. What is the denominator? That is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus b into derivative of denominator. What is the denominator? That is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Okay students, and now this is equal to a into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus b into 3 as a constant, derivative of sin x is cos x, that is 3 cos x plus 4 as it is, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, plus minus minus sin x, and this is the numerator. Now here a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator, derivative of 3 sin x is 3 cos x minus that is differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, that is minus 4 into sin x. Now compare the coefficient of sin x from LHS and RHS. From LHS sin x is there, and from RHS that is 3a sin x, and here the coefficient of sin x minus 4b sin x. So common out sin x and cancel with RHS, we get 3a minus 4b equal to 1. Now compare the coefficient of RHS, cos x from RHS and LHS, that is 2 cos x. Here 4a cos x plus 3b cos x. Common out cos x and cancel, we get the another equation 4a plus 3b equal to 2. This is the second equation. The equations are the simultaneous equations in a and b. Solve them and get the value of a and b. So for equation 1, multiply with 4, we will get 4a minus 16b equal to 4. Multiply with second equation with 3, we get 12a plus 9b equal to 6. Okay. Now equation, this equation minus this equation, 12a minus 12a, this minus that will becomes plus becomes minus and minus 6. Okay. And now this is minus 16 plus minus 9, that is minus 25b equal to minus 2, and hence the value of b is 2 upon 25. Value of b is 2 upon 25. Now to find out the value of a, put the value of b in equation, we get, that is 4a in second equation. Put the value, we get 4a plus 3 into value of b, that is 2 upon 25 equal to 2. Okay, and that is equal to 4a plus 6 upon 25 equal to 2. Okay, and this is equal to 4a equal to 2 minus 6 upon 25, and that is equal to 4a equal to 25 into 2, that is 50 minus 6 upon 25, and that is 44 upon 25, and hence the value of a is, the value of a is 11 upon 25. The value of a is 11 upon 25. Now our integrand is, that is, or first we write the numerator and then we write the integrand. What is our numerator? The numerator is, that is, sin of x plus 2 cos x, that is equal to a into, what is the value of a? The value of a is 11 upon 25. Put the value of a, 11 upon 25 into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x, plus the value of b. What is the value of b? B is 2 upon 25, and that is derivative of denominator, that is 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Okay students, and now let us solve the integration. What is our integration? The integration I equal to, that is sin of x plus 2 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x with respect to x. So here the numerator we can express in this way. In this way we can express the numerator, and that is equal to, what is your numerator? That is sin x plus 2 cos x equal to 11 upon 25 into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 2 upon 25 into 3 cos x minus 4 sin x upon the denominator is same. What is the denominator? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Now simplify the integrand. That is integration I equal to integration of, that is 11 upon 25. Separate the terms, that is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x with respect to x. The first term plus second term. Second term is 2 upon 25. By separating the terms, we are simplifying 3 cos x minus 4 sin x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Okay students, the first term get cancelled, and now we have integrand. This 11 upon 25, that is a constant, take it outside. Integration, the term get cancelled. Integration of 1 with respect to x plus 2 upon 25. And now students, if we observe that this is the term and the term at numerator is its derivative, means this integration, or in second term, this is of the form f dash of x upon f of x, means at denominator there is a function, and at denominator there is a function, at numerator there is the derivative of the function, that means f dash of x upon f of x of the form. Okay, and this is f dash of x upon f of x, that is derivative of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x with respect to x, and upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. 4 cos x means f dash of x upon f of x, and its integration is log of f of x. Log of f of x, and hence the integration is 11 upon 25 x, integration of 1 with respect to x, plus 2 upon 25 integration of log of f of x, that is log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students, so students, please solve such type of problem like this. The problem is that evaluate the integration. The homework problem is that is integration of 1 upon 2 plus 3 tan x with respect to x. The problem is very simple students. 1 upon 2 plus 3 sin x upon cos x. Take the LCM at denominator, that will get 2 cos x plus 3 sin x upon cos x. Shift this cos x to numerator and you will get cos x upon 2 cos x plus 3 sin x, and by same method you have to solve the problem. So please solve this homework problem. Okay students, now the next problem is that evaluate integration of 4 e raised to x, minus 25 plus 2 e raised to x minus 5. So again here, to solve this problem we have to convert the problem, that is numerator, that is 4 e raised to x minus 25 equal to, numerator equal to a into denominator, that is 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus b into derivative of denominator. What is the 2 e raised to x minus 5? And this is equal to a 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus b, derivative is 2 e raised to x, differentiation of minus 5 is 0. Now compare the coefficient here. Students, see here, in last problem there was, for comparison of LHS and RHS, there were cos and sin. But here e raised to x is, to compare e raised to x is there. So take the coefficient of e raised to x for comparison. 4 e raised to x, then 2a e raised to x, and here 2b e raised to x plus 2b e raised to x. So common out e raised to x and cancel. You will get 2a plus 2b equal to 4. That means you will get the equation a plus b equal to 2. You will get the equation a plus b equal to 2. Okay, students. So here the next problem is now the term, there is no coefficient, only the constant term is there. So constant term is minus 25 minus 5a. Okay, but here there is no constant term, that's why nothing we have to take, and that's why minus 25 equal to minus 5a, and hence here a equal to 5. A equal to 5, that is 25 upon 5 is a. Hence a equal to 5. And now the value of b. The value of b. So here after comparing the coefficient, that is 4 e raised to x equal to 2a and 2 e raised to x b, that is 2 e raised to x. Okay, and a plus b equal to 2, and that's why put the value of a in here. We get, that is 5 plus b equal to 2. Hence b equal to minus 3. B equal to minus 3. These are the values of a and b. Okay, students. Now the integrand, that is the integrand. So first rewrite the numerator by putting the value. We will get 4 e raised to x minus 25 equal to the value of a is 5, 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus value of b is minus 3, 2 e raised to x, 2 e raised to x. Okay, so in the integration, that is 4 e raised to x minus 25, 2 e raised to x minus 5 with respect to x. So we can express the numerator as given, that is 5 into 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus minus minus, that is 3 into 2 e raised to x upon 2 e raised to x minus 5 whole with respect to x. Now simplify the terms. We will get, after simplifying we will get here, that is equal to integration I equal to integration of 5 2 e raised to x minus 5 upon 2 e raised to x minus 5 with respect to x minus 3 as a constant, integration of 2 e raised to x upon 2 e raised to x minus 5 with respect to x. Okay, students. So here the term get cancelled and we will get integration of 5 with respect to x. Minus 3 is a constant and this is of the form f dash of x upon f of x, means the term and its derivative. So here 2 e raised to x is differentiation of this function, and that is f dash of x upon f of x of the form with respect to x. Okay, and this is integration I equal to 5 as a constant, integration is x minus 3 as a constant, and f dash of x upon f of x is log of f of x, and f of x is here 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus constant of integration c, and in this way we have to solve the problems. Okay students, now the next problem is evaluate the integration of 12 plus 12 e raised 20, integration of 20 plus 12 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x plus 4 with respect to x. Okay students, so here to solve this problem, convert the numerator in terms of denominator. What is the numerator? The numerator is 12 plus 12 e raised to x equal to a into denominator. The denominator is 3 e raised to x plus 4 plus b into derivative of denominator. So derivative of the denominator term is 3 e raised to x plus 4 with respect to x. Okay, and this is equal to a 3 into e raised to x plus 4 plus b into derivative 3 as a constant, derivative of e raised to x is a raised to x plus derivative of 4 is 0, and this is 20 plus 12 e raised to x. Okay students, so first compare the coefficient of e raised to x from LHS and RHS. So from LHS 12 e raised to x equal to 3a e raised to x plus 3b e raised to x, and from here we will get common out e raised to x and cancel with here e raised to x. We will again common out 3 and cancel with 12. We will get a plus b equal to 4. This is our first equation. Okay students, now compare the constant term from LHS and RHS. Here is 20 and here the constant term is 4 into a, 4a. And in the second term there is no constant term, and hence a equal to 5. So put the value of a in equation 1, we get. So a equal to 5, 5 plus b equal to 4. So 5 plus b equal to 4, we will get b equal to minus 1. B equal to minus 1. Now rewrite the numerator this by using the value of a and b. Okay, so that will 20 plus 12 into e raised to x equal to a is 5, 3 e raised to x plus 4 plus value of b is minus 1, and that is derivative of denominator is 3 e raised to x. Okay students, so in given integration, instead of writing numerator, put this value. Okay, and now our integration is integration I equal to 20 plus 12 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x plus 4 with respect to x. So put the value of numerator from here. The numerator is 5, 3 e raised to x plus 4 plus minus 3 e raised to x upon the denominator is 3 e raised to x plus 4 with respect to x. Now simplify the terms, we will get. After simplifying, we will get, that is here that is equal to integration I equal to, in first term 5 into 3 e raised to x plus 4 upon 3 e raised to x plus 4 with respect to x minus 1 into 3 e raised to x, that is 3 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x plus 4 whole with respect to x. And now the term get cancelled and this is equal to this 5 as a constant, integration with respect to x minus this is 3 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x plus 4 with respect to x, and hence integration is 5x minus this is of the form f dash of x upon f of x, that is log of 3 e raised to x plus 4 plus constant of integration c, and this is the answer for our problem. Okay students, so please take two problem as a homework. The problem is that is evaluate. The homework is that 3 e raised to 2x plus 5 upon 4 e raised to 2x minus 5 integration of. This is first problem, and the second problem is that is there is only one problem. Okay, so please solve the problem as a homework. Okay students, and now the next method for integration is that there are some special integrals, and that is first these are the formulae for the integration. Okay, that is some special integrals. Okay, some special integrals. So the first, students, there are the 6 formulae for the special type of integrals, and we have to prove this formula by the integration method. Okay, first add this formula in your list of integration formulas. Okay, the first is, that is integration of 1 upon x square plus a square with respect to x is equal to 1 upon a into tan inverse of x upon a plus constant of integration c. Okay students, so prove this formula. Let us consider, that is to prove this formula, let us consider the integration I equal to, that is 1 upon x square plus a square with respect to x. Okay, so here we have to substitute, that is for x square plus a square, for this formula there is the substitution. The substitution is that put x equal to a tan theta, x equal to a tan theta. This implies tan theta equal to x upon a. Okay, and here as we put x equal to a tan theta equal to x upon a. Okay, and now only we can find out the value of theta. Theta equal to, shift this tan to that side, we will get tan inverse of x upon a. Theta equal to tan inverse of x upon a. This is the substitution to prove this formula. Okay students, now as we put x equal to a tan theta, x equal to a tan theta. Therefore, here differentiation of x with respect to theta, that is dx by d theta, equal to a differentiation of tan theta, that is differentiation of tan theta with respect to theta, and that is dx by d theta equal to a into sec square theta. And therefore here dx equal to a into sec square theta d theta. Sec square theta d theta. And now the integration I equal to the value of dx, that is a sec square theta d theta, and upon the value of x is a tan theta, and x square equal to a square tan square theta plus a square. So common out here a and cancel, we will get a sec square theta d theta upon common out a square, we will get 1 plus tan square theta. So a get cancelled, and this is equal to 1 upon a sec square theta d theta. And students, we know 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Get cancelled, and here I equal to integration of 1 by a as a constant, integration of d theta, integration of the constant number with respect to theta, and hence this is 1 by a, and difference integration with respect to theta is theta. Okay students, as when we integrate, the integration of the constant number with respect to x is x, just like as integration of constant number with respect to theta is theta, and theta by a. Now put the value of theta from here. Put the value of theta, and we will get the integration I equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus constant of integration c. And student, this is the formula for the integration. First formula, that is the special integral formula. Integration of 1 upon x square plus s square with respect to x is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus constant of integration c. Okay students.